Ever hit a wall on Facebook with that annoying "You can't use this feature right now" error? Let's get it fixed so you can get back to scrolling, posting, and connecting. First things first, let's clear out the digital cobwebs. On your phone, go to your device's settings, find the Apps or Applications section, then locate and tap on the Facebook app. Look for an option that says Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. This is like giving your app a mini refresh without losing any important data or your login details. Sometimes, Facebook just needs a little breathing room. This error can be temporary, often due to overwhelming demand on their servers or a brief glitch. The best medicine: patience. Try waiting for a few hours or even a day, and then attempt to use the feature again often. The problem resolves itself while you're not even looking. If clearing the cache and waiting doesn't do the trick, it's time to escalate. Head to the Facebook Help Center on your computer or mobile browser. Search for reporting a problem or technical issues. You'll usually find an option to report a specific problem. Be detailed. Explain exactly what feature you're trying to access, what happens when you try, and the exact error message you're seeing. The more information you give them, the better they can help you get access back. By clearing your cache, being patient, and reporting the issue when necessary, you'll be well on your way to banishing that "You can't use this feature right now" error and enjoying all of Facebook's capabilities once more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.